Alright guys, we're about to begin shortly. Welcome to all the newest members and all of our members that are just joining in, guys. I'm excited to have you all here, guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button before we begin. We're gonna get started, take a look at the charts and see if we can find any opportunities together, team. Let's get it. All right, guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm just gonna update some stats here. Hope you guys are doing well, guys. Let me know in the comments below what trades you guys are looking at, or what pairs you guys are looking at for Asian session. As you guys can see on my charts, I actually have EURUSD JPY. Was looking at short opportunities on EURUSD JPY. Unfortunately, it did go actually in our favor. Excuse me. Got in around, I think it was the 5-minute time frame. Where did we get? I think it was around here. It was about like 25 pips, which wasn't too bad. Was anticipating a pullback even here at this level of supply up here. Not level supply, sorry. This level of resistance up here, but we didn't even come back down here, which I would have thought. That's fine. I think it's just a more extensive pullback from the higher time frame. But let me know, guys. Let me know what pairs you guys like to trade during the Asian session. As you guys know, we're here in the mornings, but however, I do come in here in the evenings as well, guys, to support you guys as much as I can. Team, let's get it to at least, let's get it to 10 likes, team. Let's go. We've got 7 members here. Let's get it to 10 likes. We've got 3 likes already. Let's get it to 10 likes, team. Really do appreciate it. Hope you guys are doing well, man. It's already Thursday. It's crazy. The week's already gone by so quick. But one of the things here that I did notice here, for example, with EURUSD, is that we always need to, and again, this could happen, we always need to understand the overall direction of the market, because this is how you can avoid mistakes like this, okay? So obviously the direction was still to the upside. We were creating higher highs and higher lows, right? Nice and clean, simple structure, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, could we see maybe one more push up? Could be a possibility. We might see it come up to this level of supply, quickly create a wick, and then give us a huge impulse back down, right? Or shift into a range. Either way, we can still make money, and that's the most important thing, is that we can figure things out and figure out where we can anticipate price. But as of right now, you live and learn and realize, okay, this is my mistake. Whenever you go through anything, guys, like as a trader, you realize, okay, this is my mistake, this is what I did wrong, this is what I can improve on, right? And so yeah, that's part of it. We were able to catch 25 pips on that, which wasn't too bad for Asian session. So team, we're at 5 likes. Can we get it to 10 likes? Let's get it to 10 likes, team. I really do appreciate it, guys. It does support the channel. I'm going to let let's see here. Going to just let our free Telegram group know that we're live. So 1 second here, team. How are y'all doing, guys? How you guys doing? Let me know in the comments below. How you guys doing this evening? Is there anything in particular? Obviously, we know it's Friday tomorrow, but is there anything in particular you guys are looking at that we can look at together? Just gonna share this right now. All right, team, that's awesome. Let's go, Tony. We got Tony in the house here. Let's get it. We're at 7 likes, team. Let's get it to 10 likes. And yeah, let's kill it, man. We're always killing it. You know what I mean? We're always finding ways to push forward, and you guys know what's good, man. You guys know what's good. But yeah, what I was gonna say. Let's take a look here. So, like I said, EURUSD, we may come back up to this level of supply. We'll see. We'll go with the flow and see up to where price may continue to go. I think it may come up to this area. We may see a shift, or we may see it come back up to these highs. Could be a possibility. As of right now, I really don't see anything other than the fact that we may get some sort of a pullback, even short term right now, and then we may, like I said, come back up to these highs and retest these highs. So either it's going to continue to go up, give us a rejection, and then give us a final break above, and then yeah, I mean, we're creating new highs at that point. Are you guys understanding that so far with EURUSD? This is just kind of an outlook as to what we could see for EURUSD, potentially breaking above these highs, and then a continuation to create new heights, right? And if we look at the 4-hour time frame, it is creating this beautiful upwards trend line, as you guys can see. Okay, so oh shoot, one sec here, let me delete that. So what do we got here? There we go, like that. Okay, let's move on. Let's take a look and see what's going on with gold. What's happening with gold? Oh, we got Marco. Let's go, Marco. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What about gold? Yes, we're gonna take a look at gold right now, my man. Let's see if I can duplicate this. No, I have to get another one. Let's go. We're at 8 likes, team. Let's get it. Let's just do, yeah, it doesn't matter, forex.com for now. Okay. What are we doing here, team? What are we doing here? Okay, let's mark out our weekly levels here. We can see that we have been trending to the upwards momentum, so to the upside. Okay, we can see that the overall trend is to the upside. The trend is your friend. You can see it very, very clearly daily. This looks a lot more cleaner. I think gold, we may see it maybe give us a little bit of a more pullback here and then give us a pushback up. Could be a possibility. I'm not too sure where we're at here. Okay, so there we go. So yeah, let me go back up to the daily here, team. Let's go, team. We're at 8 likes. Can we get it to 10 likes? Let's get it to 10 likes, team. I really do appreciate it. And welcome to everyone that's new. Welcome to all the newest members that are just joining in, joining La Familia, joining the family. Introduce yourself. If you're new to the family, come say hi. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like I said, we've got members from all over the world. And I call you guys members because, like I said, consider us a huge trading family. So that's the beauty of it, guys. You know what I mean? There's a lot of traders and YouTubers up here that really just, they don't care. They really just, they're just in here for other reasons, right? But nice thing about our channel, we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. And yeah, like, I mean, I wanted to create a community that, you know, other people would be able to learn, be able to network, and be able to feel like it's a community that they can count on and feel at home. You know what I mean? So like I said, you know, trading can be lonely as well too, right? So one of the things about creating this channel was that was my focus. I wanted to help you guys, you know, feel connected. You know what I mean? Regardless of where you are, I've been able to see that with my students and everything. So if you're new, come say hi. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Let me know in the comments, actually in the chat. Don't be shy. And then also make sure you also connect with our free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community on there. So make sure you are connected with the free Telegram group or the Facebook group, whatever you use more. I've got all the links in the video description. Team, we're at 9 likes. Let's get it to 10 likes. Okay, what are we looking at here for gold? So daily, we're pretty much coming at this kind of, I would say this is the top of the range. We're basically in a range right here on the higher time frames. That's why I said that I may see gold give us a push back down. But again, let's not get too ahead of ourselves here because this is just the daily. We need to kind of see a little bit more of a clear picture here because we are still in this kind of upwards momentum. We're just coming up to a stall. Let me just kind of take that off there and let's look at this. So we have been creating higher highs and higher lows, and so this is one of the things where I have no bias yet until we kind of break this range. So let me clear the charts again. and now we could see that obviously this is a high. Okay, this is a 4-hour high, this is a 4-hour low. Okay, and I mean, unless we do break up below this area, then I may consider gold coming back down to these lows down here. Okay, if we close higher and we go above here, then we're looking for buy setups above this level structure. Okay, so buy setups above this level structure, team, that's what we're looking for. Okay, now do you see how clean it looks? Like, this is how I personally like to look at it, just because I simplify it this way and I don't like to overcomplicate it. You know what I mean? Team, we're at 12 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes? Let's get it to 15 likes, team. And like I said, don't be shy, guys. Let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from. If you're new to the family, welcome. I believe I see a couple subscribers just joining in. Welcome to the family. Welcome to La Familia. Let me just check here my software here. We've got Grant Jackson, my man. Welcome to the family. Make sure you're connected as well. So everyone that's just subscribing or joining for the first time, also make sure you have that little bell icon turned on when you subscribe, because believe it or not, I uploaded a video today, uploaded a video Wednesday, I am uploading a video tomorrow. Okay, so I've got lots and lots of content coming out for you guys. I post new videos every single Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, consistently every single week. And also, those are just videos I upload, but also I do live streams basically twice a day. So I did the live stream this morning, doing the live stream right now in the evening with you guys. So if I could ask you for one huge favor, is if you could smash the like button, number one, and number two, if you're new, get connected and be a part of the family, because you're missing out. If you haven't joined in the family, I don't know what you're doing. You're missing on a ton of value. So let's continue on here. So looking down to the 1 hour time frame, we have kind of hit this kind of little bit of a resistance area. So again, within this range, I'm just going to sit on the sidelines, and I would say buy setups above this high and then sell setups below this low. That's literally it. I'm not going to try and trade within this range area. I'm not going to try and sell from here. To me, it just doesn't seem something that would catch my eye. I mean, you know, we are kind of in this mini range here. If you wanted to, again, maybe we could sell from this high here if we break below this low first, though, team. We need to break below this low first. Okay, are you guys understanding everything so far? Yes, good. Team, we're at 14 likes. Let's get it to 20 likes. Let's go. Let's get it to 20 likes, team. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel. Okay, yeah, so this is really what I see here, team. Let's go. So I'd say sell setups below this level structure. Let's see how much of a range we have, though. That's the thing. How much space do we have here? That's okay. It's, I mean, 34 pips. So you do something like a 15 pip stop loss or 10 pip stop loss. Yeah, 15 pip stop loss, and you could potentially get about 33 pips. That's okay. It's not too bad. Like a quick in and out scalp, you know what I mean? That would be kind of the scenario there for gold. So that's really what I see, to be honest. I don't see anything else. I'm gonna wait for the setup to happen. I'm not gonna force the market. I think that's one of the biggest mistakes as a trader, a newbie trader, is that you try to force the market, try to milk the market as much as you can. But the problem with that is it could bite you back in the butt. You know what I mean? So you don't want to do that, team. You do not want to do that. So as more and more members join in, because I see a couple more members joining in, let me know where you're tuning in from, guys. Where are you tuning in from? I'm from Canada, so let me know where you're tuning in from. I'm from Canada, but obviously I'm Latino. I speak Spanish. Yeah, where are you guys from? Let me know. We're at 16 likes, team. Let's get it to 20 likes. And I'm gonna put the link here for my Facebook group as well. So actually, you know what, let me just check and make sure the link's good. Yeah, link's good, should work, no problem. Patience pays, though, team. I'm telling you, patience pays as well too, right? So like even right now with okay, so wait one sec, that link is not working there. So one sec. I'm gonna have to delete that link, team. One sec. Remove. You're just gonna have to click it on when you just on my video description, because unfortunately when I share it, it kind of like messes up the link. So anyways, if you want to join on the Facebook group, you can. It's free to join in, and it's in the video description. And then all the links are there, guys. So my inner circle group, if you want to take the exact trades I take, if you want to take advantage of our live private Zoom calls that I have with my students, the link is in the video description to join in my inner circle group. That is amazing. I'm telling you, the value that I provide is second to none, not because I'm just saying it, but it's just huge. I've seen the difference in my students, even with my students on my one-on-one too. But anyways, also join in the free Telegram group, guys. I think that's cool because I actively monitor this group chat, which is crazy because a lot of other traders and YouTubers, they charge extra for that type of stuff. They like say, oh, if you want to join this, you have to buy this or buy that. This is free. Like, you don't have to pay anything, guys. You could just join in and be a part of a cool community where you can share your ideas and stuff like that. So that's nice. We've got Men with Brunch. I like that. New York, let's go. I'm Afro Latino. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. You're already part of the family, my man. So we're pretty close. We're pretty close. So if you're in New York, we're pretty darn close. Yeah. Take a look at this, guys. We're already getting a beautiful break here. So like I said, I want to see this candle close. At least we've got a minute and 53 seconds. Eesh. Okay, we might not even get the chance at this point. Yeah, it might be too risky here at this point, but that's the thing, right? You always want to wait for these types of confirmations. You can wait for the next candle. So if this candle closes below this low, wait for the next candle. It'll probably create a nice wick. Once we get that wick, then you can get in into the for shorts. I mean, it's a nice quick in and out, you know what I mean? 30 pips, just kind of get it out from the market. Team, we're at 19 likes. Let's go. Let's get it to 25 likes, team. I know we're capable. We've got Jay. Let's go, Jay, my man, from Jamaica. Let's go. We got Jay from Jamaica. Let's go. We've got David Hodge from Dallas, Texas. Let's go, man. To be honest, David, I would love to come and move to Texas. I think Texas is a really nice state. I don't know about your housing now. I think that because it's gotten so popular over the years, housing's probably gone up through the roof. But it's anything is better than Canada at this point in terms of housing market. Let's put it that way. It's really expensive to live here in Canada. Like a one bedroom is going for $2,000 a month, a rental, which is nuts, guys. So this is another reason why I decided about 5.5 years ago, to get involved into trading as a whole. Yeah, no, I started in crypto, and yeah, like me and the wife got involved in cryptocurrency. That went really well as well too. But then I'm thankful that I also got introduced to Forex, because that's what I liked more than anything. I like this. There's volatility in Forex, but it's not as bad as, let's say, crypto. Like, there's a lot of volatility in crypto and stuff. Not as much as you know what I mean, as Forex. Obviously, if you're trading gold, crypto, I mean, very, very similar in volatility, but you guys get the point. Let's go. We got Forex 24, my man from Brazil. Bienvenido. From Brazil, amigo. Let's go, team. We're at 19 likes. Let's get it to 25 likes. And take a look at this, guys. We had 2 minutes left for this candle to close. Did this candle close below this previous low? It did not. So this tells me as a trader that I want to stay out. This doesn't catch my attention. Automatically, this is just, okay, cool. We're back in this range, back to square one. Now, some people say, well, you know, I could buy it here and then take my profit up here, and then I could just get quick money. You could, but at that point, it's a gamble. What guarantees that price is going to come back up to this high, right? It could come up halfway and then continue to actually finally break on the next candle. So there's different variables that you have to really look at. You know what I mean, team? So I don't know. Let's see here, team. Let's go. By the way, welcome to everyone that's just subscribing and joining in, guys. Welcome to La Familia. Don't forget to turn on the little bell icon, guys. Make sure that little bell icon's turned on. That way you don't miss out on any piece of content or anything like that. Okay. Do you guys have any questions for me? Any questions for me? Okay, so I think US 30, yeah, US 30. Sorry, I think it may continue to go up. It's still pushing, but let's take a look at the weekly. Where are we here on the weekly as well for US 30 here? It's pretty bullish. Like, this is a bullish week, bullish daily. 4 hours starting to give us some sort of pullback, so we may start feeling some sort of a pullback. But overall, I think this is very bullish. We're just testing out these highs right now. Yeah, I wouldn't try to predict what the pullback will be, because I mean, it could reject this area, but we need to wait for better confirmations. So I'll just stay out from US 30 for now, because we don't know if it's gonna just pull back from here and start selling off, right? All we can do is work with what we have, right? And this is what we have. We've got a little bit, we've got a high and we got a low, and definitely looking for sells once we kind of close below this area here. Now it could just range for a bit, so we'll come back to that. Let's take a look at EURUSD. EURUSD, we had a beautiful trade today. Beautiful trade today. I don't know if you guys were here for our New York Open, but we profited heavily on EURUSD today. Yeah, take profit was smashed to the T with EURUSD. We did 53 pips profit, which actually I should put on my previous trades. We did have a win on the stream here, so that was this morning's win on the stream, which I am going to update right now. We've got abs from Miyamuna. Let's go. I hope I pronounced that right, my man. And we're going to add in here 29. Team, we're stuck at 19 likes. Can we get it to 25 likes? Let's get it to 25 likes, team. Let's see my alert box, my little dinosaur. When people subscribe, it says your name there. So let's see who's the next special lucky person. Let's see, there we go. That's me. I'm just testing it right there, team. Okay, perfect. Sometimes you have to reset it. You should be good. Okay, we're good. That is good. Yeah, so look at this beautiful EURUSD trade. Absolutely amazing. The direction was going in our favor. Everything was just working in confluence. Let's put it that way. I love it. Right now, what could it do? I mean, at this point, it's slowly creeping back up. So it tells me that, you know, obviously right now, I wouldn't really look at trading anything right now with EURUSD. I think it's just going to pull back slowly creep up. Not much on this side, maybe up to this area here, like about 50% of the way. And I mean, Polar Fibonacci if you wanted to, but if you look at it, yeah, so that look 50% right when I drew my line right there, 50% at 0.618. That's our rejection zone right there on 0.618 and 0.50. So yeah, I think it may slowly pull back to that area, and then we may see it capitulate to the downside. Now, would you buy this here up? It's risky at that point. What are you trying to catch? 10 pips? It's not really worth it, right? What is your risk at that point, right? You're kind of doing a counter trend trade at that point, team. Okay, what other pairs, guys? Let me know, what pairs are you looking at currently, guys? What pairs are you looking at, or do you want me to go over here? It's 10:16 right now, so we'll see what pairs you guys want me to look at here before we continue here. chat? Chat's quiet today. GJ. Okay, I haven't seen GJ. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's take a look at this team. Daniel, we got gold. I know. Let's go. There we go, guys. We got Australia only US 30 and gold. Nice, Grant. Even thought on gold on Dixie. I'm gonna tell you in a second, my man. Don't worry, we'll take a look at Dixie. I like looking at Dixie too. Okay. What are we gonna look at for GJ team? Let's take a look at GJ. So again, I always like to look at the higher time frames, understand kind of the overall sentiment of the market, and we can see that we are super overbought at this point, right? These are all 1 week, right? So now we've started to shift our sentiment. Let's go to the monthly. Okay. And if we realize this line, if I draw this line, it's going to be pretty spot on. There we go. So my next target area here would be, I would see it probably pull back around this area here. And then the next target would be down here. So my monthly levels, I mean, not that it matters right now, but it's good to kind of point out so you guys can see what I'm seeing here. Weekly is bearish. Daily is just all over the place right now. So here's the deal. I'll look for sells as long as we close below this area. I need a bearish candle close below that area, even on the smaller time frames. Yeah. So we're getting bearish pressure, right? We're creating lower high, right? Lower high, and we're kind of breaking above here. So that's what I'm saying. We're stuck in this sideways range for a bit. And but yeah, definitely looking for sells once we break below this area here, team. Okay. If we get a closure below this low here on the higher time frames, like the 4 hour, sorry, like a bearish 4 hour, then that's going to be a clean continuation to the downside. Okay. Are you guys understanding that so far? Like, we're just stuck in this little bit of a sideways range. We are definitely due for some sort of a pullback on the daily. Okay. And if we break below this area, we have a potential. Let me show you the potential move that we may have here. We have, if we get a closure below these lows here, we could potentially make, well, like potentially on the table here, 278 pips. Okay. Just to give you guys a little bit of a glimpse or an idea as to what we can see. But as of right now, it could still come back up, right? So right now at this point, maybe come down to the smaller time frame, like the 15 or the 30 minute, and wait for price to kind of break above these highs. If we get a candle closure above this high, then we could see it come back up to these highs, possibly on GJ. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's go back here to New York. Let's take a look at Dixie. Second, 13. Let's take a look at Dixie now here for my man Abe's. Let's go. Guys, I see a couple new members joining in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let me know where you're tuning in from, guys. So all the new members that are just joining in and stuff like that, where are you guys tuning in from? Let me know in the comments below. Don't be shy, guys. Okay, team, we're at 22 likes. Let's get it to 25 likes. Let's go. Okay, so what we're looking at here for Dixie, again, we got a beautiful break above here. Beautiful break above. Okay, and you can see I already had this kind of line target up here. Okay, so we had a huge impulse, anticipating it to just kind of pull back. Obviously, it may still pull back a little bit further, but I would say definitely the overall kind of sentiment is to the upside. I do believe that Dixie is going to gain some strength, and we may see it come back up to these highs up here. So that is a possibility. That's really what I think is going to happen, team. Are you guys understanding that so far? Do you have any questions? We were kind of at the bottom end here for Dixie. We were in the range. We broke outside of the range, retested, continuation. Like I said, it may either hold off at this area. I would say, again, same thing. Smaller time frames, look for a breakout closure above a previous high, and then we may see continuation, a clean continuation to the upside. All right. Let's get it, team. Let's go. No. One sec, team. I dropped the water. One sec, team. Oh my gosh, I dropped water. One sec, one sec. I'll be right back. Yeah, I just dropped this stupid thing.